Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp video call voice problem on iPhone iPad. So guys, first of all, you have open your settings and check Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And after this, go back, scroll it down, tap on privacy. Now tap on microphone and turn on WhatsApp and go back, scroll it down. Now tap on WhatsApp and turn on contact and go back. Tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, tap on WhatsApp and tap on offload. After doing offload, you need to reinstall again from App Store and logging again your account. After this, go back. Now tap on App Store. Tap on search bar and search WhatsApp app. Tap on open. Check for update. If not updated, you need to update your WhatsApp app. After this, go back. After this, your problem still not solved, then restart your iPhone, so your problem will be fixed. After doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.